Rendering CAD models with photorealistic appearances and have a P2M file from your design team? This is a material appearance file from a SolidWorks rendering tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these PhotoWorks appearance files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens P2M files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. P2M files are appearance files used by PhotoWorks, the photorealistic rendering plugin for SolidWorks. They contain material definitions, surface properties, textures, lighting parameters, and shader settings for applying realistic visual appearances to 3D CAD models in renderings. P2M files use a proprietary PhotoWorks format, storing material attribute definitions including diffuse, specular, reflective, and transparent properties, along with bump maps, texture references, and procedural shaders. The format integrates with SolidWorks rendering pipeline for high-quality visualizations. For managing P2M files, the best dedicated software is SFW PhotoWorks from Seattle Lab. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows displays configuration details, but interpreting them requires specialized knowledge. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your P2M file and choose Open With. Test SFW PhotoWorks first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If you are still having trouble opening the P2M file, do not worry. Because the P2M format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, loading in PhotoWorks. Install PhotoWorks within SolidWorks if you have a compatible legacy version. Open your SolidWorks model and access PhotoWorks. Use the Appearance Manager to load the P2M file and apply the material to selected faces or bodies in your model for rendering. Next, migrating to PhotoView 360. Since PhotoWorks has been replaced by PhotoView 360 in newer SolidWorks versions, migrate P2M materials to the current appearance format. Open the appearance in PhotoWorks, then save as P2M for newer versions, or recreate the material settings in PhotoView 360 for modern rendering. Finally, contacting SolidWorks support. For complex PhotoWorks migrations, contact SolidWorks technical support with your subscription details. Support engineers provide migration utilities and best practices for converting legacy P2M appearances to the current rendering ecosystem in SolidWorks Visualize and PhotoView 360. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.